Japan's Aspark is gearing up to introduce its debut vehicle, the electric hypercar named Aspark OWL. Notably, this extraordinary car is anticipated to boast the planet's quickest acceleration. Packing a reported 1,984 horsepower and 2,000 Newton-meters of torque, the OWL rockets from 0 to 97 km per hour in just 1.7 seconds and achieves an impressive top speed of 400 km per hour. It's projected to cover 450 kilometers on a single charge. Only 50 units of this remarkable car will be produced, each priced at $3.2 million. Aspark claims the OWL doesn't just excel in acceleration, it might also set a record as the world's shortest road-legal electric hypercar, standing at a mere 99 centimeters in height.
Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating exploration.